Millions of users started complaining after GPT-5 launched. Same prompts, worse results. At first, that doesn't make sense. GPT-5 is more powerful, so shouldn't everything just work better? Not exactly. The real issue is this. GPT-5 works differently, and most people are still using old prompting habits that no longer fit the new system. After a month of testing using OpenAI's own guidelines, I've found 5 simple techniques that dramatically improve results. Let's break it down. First, what actually changed? 1, model consolidation before users could pick between multiple models. Now, there are basically 3 GPT-5, GPT-5 thinking, mini GPT-5 thinking sounds simpler, right? But behind the scenes, there's now an invisible router deciding which model handles your prompt. So when you hit enter, you might get a powerful reasoning model or a faster, less capable one. And since stronger models cost more, the system often defaults to the cheaper option unless nudged otherwise. 2, much stricter instruction following GPT-5 is extremely precise. That's great for AI agents, but it comes with a downside. If your prompt is vague, GPT-5 won't fill in the gaps like older models did. So unclear prompts now lead to weaker results. Now, let's fix that. Tip 1. Use root to nudge phrases easy. You can influence which model responds just by adding a short phrase. Try ending your prompt with, think hard about this, think deeply about this, think carefully. These phrases consistently trigger deeper reasoning. Why it works? They're explicit instructions, not vague emphasis. And when deeper reasoning is activated, you'll notice more structured answers, better comparisons, second-order insights. Use this for anything important or... Tip 2. Control verbosity. Easy GPT-5 also decides how long your answer should be, but you can override it. Use these patterns, low verbosity, quick answers. Give me the bottom line in 100 words or less. Use markdown, medium verbosity, balanced explanation, give. Provide a concise 3-5 paragraph explanation. High verbosity, deep work. Provide a comprehensive breakdown, 600 to 800 words. GPT-5 is surprisingly good at sticking to word counts, much better than previous versions. Tip 3. Use a prompt optimizer, medium effort. Most people don't know this, but GPT-5 is excellent at improving its own prompts. You can use a simple meta prompt like this. You are an expert prompt engineer. Improve the following prompt for GPT-5. Make it more structured, clear, and specific. Then paste your original prompt. This works because GPT-5 consistently adds structure, removes vagueness, fills in missing instructions. It's basically a free version of OpenAI's internal optimizer. Tip for structure prompts with an XML sandwich, medium effort. Instead of dumping everything into one paragraph, organize your prompt into labeled sections. For example, task act as a hiring manager and ask me 3 likely interview questions. Task context, paste your background here. Context job underscore description, paste job description here. job underscore description greater than output underscore format. List of 3 questions with brief explanations. Output underscore format, think of it as giving GPT-5 labeled boxers instead of a messy pile of text. This dramatically improves clarity and results. Tip 5. Use the perfection loop advanced. This is where GPT-5 really shines. Instead of accepting the first answer, tell it to define what great looks like, evaluate its own output, improve it until it reaches top quality. Example, before answering, create a rubric for a world-class response, then iterate internally until your answer scores 10 tenths. This works best for reports, strategies, presentations, code, anything where quality really matters. Final takeaway, these techniques aren't either or, they stack. The best results come from combining them. Nudge phrases, verbosity control, structured prompts, self-improvement loops. GPT-5 isn't worth it, just requires better instructions. Once you adapt, the results are significantly better than before.